Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the first button down below and select a post that you would like to share. Scroll down till you find this share button, tap on it, and here as you can see you can select where would you like to share it. It is now set to feed, but you can also select your friend's timeline or a particular group, and you can also select who can see this post, such as friends of friends, friends except, and if you tap on it you will be able to select a single or other friends that you don't want to show this post, or you can only show it to specific friends or only me. So click on the relevant button and then tap on done. Here you should or you can type in something and say about something about this post that you are sharing. So feel free to type in anything, and after that tap on the button share now. So now it is posting. So if you go to your page, you will be able to see that you have shared this picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.